Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Wanted to do a bit of an update here. I know a lot of you are still trading, holding, or interested in Pepe, so that's why I wanted to cover it. Apart from that, honestly, like Bitcoin after the events of yesterday and yesterday night, at least for me, or last night, I should say, Bitcoin has been relatively strong here. But I gotta be honest, I mean, Pepe hasn't been that strong yet. All right, you can see Pepe on the larger time frames, on the higher time frames, is still very bearish. All right, it's not relatively bearish. It still is very bearish. I mean, look at this. This is not an uptrend. And then apart from that, I would actually also say, like, if you look at some other meme coins, like Bonk is holding up better than Pepe. I think Popcat is also doing, well, Popcat is a different story, but it's doing much better. Newer meme coins like Mork is also doing quite well. So yeah, Pepe at this point of time is just bearish. Now, does that mean that we will continue to be bearish? No. All right, and if this bullish momentum for Bitcoin actually continues, which we will see in the next 24 hours, next 24 hours are going to be absolutely crucial for that. But if that continues, I would be very surprised if Pepe does not rally. All right, so therefore, I still think it's interesting to have a look at this. And that's also what we'll do. All right, so so first of all, if we zoom out, we're in a downtrend. That's true. There are some things like if I look at something here, all right, so I'll look at some more information here. There are some things where I can say, all right, well, that's actually quite bullish, like on the 4-hour time frame. And you check this out. What you will see is that there is a bit of an imbalance between, I would say, open interest and price, where we are gaining quite a lot of momentum, even though the price is flat. Same with the RSI. RSI is actually gaining quite a lot here, while the price is relatively flat. So that is a bullish divergence, and that's also why we can be bullish from here. And then we are also reacting to the bullish momentum from the market. It's just that I don't think it's enough. But we are reacting to that, right? The market structure on the 1-hour time frame is actually closer to a consolidation than a downtrend. So sure, we are in a downtrend on the larger time frames, but here we actually look pretty stable. And I would go as far as saying that I don't see any reason at this moment, unless Bitcoin really starts aggressively dumping, I don't see any reason why this consolidation here would not hold. So that already means that I think it's most likely, and I do think that's most likely, that we will at least rally up to this top right here at 9,500 and 9,800. So that I do think is most likely. I think, like I said, there's a bit of an imbalance in the momentum. We are gaining real open interest right here, which is always good to see, even though I cannot see what type of momentum it is. But whether it's longs or shorts doesn't matter that much. Because if it's shorts, then we have more liquidity to the top that we can liquidate in relatively bullish circumstances. And if it's longs being opened, obviously that's bullish. So we're gaining momentum here, which I think is bullish. I think the price structure is instructing us that we'll see some more bullish momentum. Also broke above this level here at 9,000. So this is what I expect. And then we have to zoom out again, and then the big question is all right, well, this resistance level at 9,800, 9,500 has been the main resistance level for a while now. Can we break above that? And to that, my answer is no. All right, if we want to break above that, we need to either gain much more momentum, or we need to see a much stronger Bitcoin. And that's not the case right now. So therefore, I think it's most likely we'll get there. I don't think it's most likely we'll break above that. All right, and if that does become more likely, I'll make an emergency update, because that probably means that Bitcoin is much more bullish, and then I'd want to cover that either way. So keep your eyes out on that. In general, like I said, keep your eyes on Bitcoin, because like I said, if Bitcoin starts dumping, Pepe will follow. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think is most likely based on what we see right now. I'll keep you updated. For now, though, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.